What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's jump right into it, man. Got a Jordan 4 for y'all, man. Y'all seen the title, the thumbnail, all that good stuff. Let's get into it, man. We got a black box with the speckles on it. It is like a texture box that they've been using a lot lately on the Jordan 4s. Got the white flight on top with the red Jumpman. Tag on this joint reads Air Jordan 4 Retro GS, white, fire red, and black. 6.5Y. I was able to hit this joint on a shock drop, but as I always mention to y'all, bro, I strike out on my size every single time. But I do got a men's size coming in. I'll probably drop another review for the men's pair later. But let's get into this joint real quick. Here we have the Air Jordan 4 in the red cement colorway. And like I said, man, this pair is from the shock drop, so this technically is an early review. Let's check this joint out, man, get into these details. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, going across that toe cap, it's laced in a white, slightly tumbled leather, man. Some pretty soft, some soft leather, man. Decent quality on this joint. Has the white leather going all the way around the upper of the shoe. Has the black lace holes right there. The red wing with the black speckle and another black lace hole up top. Red and white going all the way around across the back of the shoe. Has that red heel tab with the black Jumpman, black speckles as well. Still laced in that same white leather going all the way around to the inside of the shoe. Red on the wings of the shoe there. Black lace holes again on both sides. Now get into that midsole, man. We got a red, black, and white midsole going all the way around the shoe. Have the white and red hits here on the back of the shoe, man. Has the black speckle paint just for the cement print. Pretty decent colorway, man. I'm not gonna lie, pretty decent. I don't love it, but a pretty decent colorway, man. Now get into that outsole, man. Has the gray, black, white, and red going all the way across the outsole in the different sections of the shoe, man, just like any other Jordan 4. Now checking out the laces as well, man. We do have the white net, pure white laces, white tongue with the red Jumpman, black flight written in. We do have black going all the way around the inside of the sock liner. Black insole with the red Jumpman as well. It's your basic Jordan 4, man. Pretty decent quality materials. No crazy flaws or anything like that. But do we need this joint, man? I don't know. Now, Jordan brand, I feel what y'all trying to do with the red, black, and white. Jordan 4, you're trying to push the 4s out. Give us regular colors that you guys think will sell. I feel it. This was a nice attempt. But we don't need these. I don't need these. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know if this is a need for you. You copping or dropping these, man. Let me know. Is this a need for you? If you're asking me, we didn't need this red, black, and white Jordan 4, man. Don't get me wrong. It's wearable to a certain extent, but this is just not needed. I won't be making this purchase. I can't act like I will. There's nothing wrong with the shoe, man. The quality is there, and I think this shoe will sell a lot of units just because it's right in time for back to school. It's an easy wear for kids and uniform kids that don't wear uniform. It's a red, black, and white shoe, so it will sell. But as for like the collector side of me, man, I won't be able to grab these joints. It's just, this is not a purchase that I need to make, man. It's not a purchase that I need to make. Now, as far as pricing on this shoe, man, this is a grade school shoe. It released for 160 bucks. It's like 173 with taxes, no shipping coming from Nike. The men's shoe is 210 bucks, and that's like 227 out the door, man. So you're looking like around 230 with taxes, 210 for your no tax states. And as far as resale, man, grade school are going like for around 200, 190 to 200 across all sizes. As far as men, like I mentioned, retail was 210 bucks, and resale is currently sitting at around 260 to 280 bucks. Nothing too crazy. These joints release in another couple of weeks, and you definitely can expect that price to drop down to closer to retail, that 230, 240, maybe 250 range. But I don't think this one will be a crazy hard shoe to cop. I don't think it'll be crazy expensive. Will units sell? Yes. Will you need to go release day to be able to secure your size for sure? Probably so. But will the resale price be crazy? 300, 320? Will these be unattainable? I don't think so, man. Definitely a solid shoe. Decent material, don't get me wrong, but I just don't need this black and red Jordan 4 in my collection. This is not calling my name. I don't know, man. I just don't need this one. I don't need it. Now, the vibes that this Jordan 4 gives me is like, this is when they were in a design room way back in the day, trying to figure out what colors to put on this cement print Jordan 4. I'm so glad they went with the gray. The gray just looks a lot better. This red just is doing just a little too much for me, man. This colorway is based off of the white cement color blocking. So you can see the similarities and the details, man. But I just don't think the red was very, very much needed when flipping this colorway, bro. I like the white and gray. I like the white Oreo pair. I like black Oreos and things like that. But this red cement print just is a little too much for me, man. Y'all leave a comment down below. Just let me know how you guys are feeling, man. Y'all copying this joint, dropping, dripping, flipping, skipping. Let me know how you are truly feeling. How do you like it compared to the white cement? Is it a good shoe? Are you looking to grab it, man? Just leave your honest opinion down below, man. And just let me know how you guys are feeling about this joint, man. Let me know. Now, as far as quality on these joints, man, we usually get some pretty bad quality control on grade school pairs. But as far as like the actual leather quality is good. And as far as quality control, this one is good as well, man. No super flaws on the midsole paint like we've been getting a lot of lately. No paint going across the air bubbles. Just smooth lines going across this pair. I had a couple of more pairs. They were all pretty good looking, pretty decent condition. No crazy flaws, no stitching errors or things like that. So if this goes across all pairs and all men's pairs, we'll be happy with these as far as quality and quality control. But overall, man, it just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this red cement Air Jordan 4, man. Leave your honest opinions down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Just let me know if you're grabbing it or you skipping it. You're going on to the next shoe. Just leave me an honest opinion. But until next time on the next video, got an early look at the red cement Jordan 4s. Peace, man.